Hey there, it's another great day here at CompareInternet.com. We're here to give you the straight talk on the best internet deals. Today, we're going to review Spectrum, a top national provider of internet service. We'll go over availability, pricing, speeds, reliability, equipment, and customer experience. Let's start first with Spectrum's availability. Spectrum is one of the largest internet service providers in the U.S. Spectrum serves over 30 million customers in 42 states. That is huge. Spectrum offers advanced cable internet that brings you lightning-fast gigabit internet speeds. They have a very strong established network with reliable tech support, and Spectrum has outstanding prices on bundle deals. That brings us to our first rating. Let's talk about Spectrum pricing. Spectrum is known for its great promotional rates. First of all, they give you a lot of speed for your dollar. Spectrum's first-tier internet plan offers you speeds up to 300 megabits per second, which is a lot more speed than many other providers give you at the same bargain price. Spectrum also has no data caps, so you can have no surprises on your monthly bills for going over a data limit. That's crucial if you like high-definition streaming or gaming, which uses a lot of data. Having no data caps gives you prices that you can count on every single month. And if you're a Spectrum Internet customer, you can bundle in your cell phone service for only $29.99 a month. Some promotions will even offer you 2 cell phone lines at that price for the first year. One of our staffers here at CompareInternet.com saved over $1,300 on her phone bill this year with the Spectrum bundle pricing. With all these deals, Spectrum is a great choice for your budget. We give Spectrum 4.25 stars for pricing. It's really hard to pass up that kind of savings. So what about reliability and performance? So what kind of reliability and performance will you get at these prices? The answer is good there too. We give a very high 4.5 stars for Spectrum's internet performance. First, Spectrum was named by speedtest.com as the fastest internet provider in the United States this year. That's because Spectrum isn't using your grandfather's coaxial cable. Nope, they're using a network that is a hybrid of fiber optic lines and coaxial. This advanced technology is why you get gigabit speeds, and this is really going to blow your mind. In the next few years, Spectrum has announced that their speeds will rise to 10 gigabits per second download and 6 gigabit per second upload. That is unprecedented. These are fiber-like speeds. And if Spectrum keeps this up, they're going to give fiber internet a real run for its money. Now let's check out Spectrum's equipment and installation. Spectrum is going to provide you with a modem at no charge, and your Spectrum router rents to you for only $5 a month. This is especially appealing because you're going to get a pretty advanced router, sometimes even with Wi-Fi 6. Installation fees are lower than many other providers, and in some locations you can also save money by doing a self-installation. So we give Spectrum 4 stars for its high-quality, low-cost equipment and installation. Finally, let's talk about customer experience and support. We awarded Spectrum 3.75 stars for its record of customer service and fulfillment. Spectrum is going to give you a lot of options to get help and support when you need it. You can get help from customer service by phone or chat 24/7. And the tech support is also 24/7. So if you're working late at night, no worries. You can still get the answers you need when you need them. For face-to-face support, you can also go to one of the many Spectrum stores all over the country. And the Spectrum phone app is the highest rated support app in the industry. Now let's recap all the most important facts about Spectrum. Spectrum's overall rating is an impressive 4.2 stars. That makes them one of our highest rated internet providers for the whole nation. Spectrum can give you gigabit speeds with even more amazing speeds in the pipeline. Plus, you'll get no data caps and some truly impressive prices, especially if you bundle it with your cell phone. It's no surprise that we recommend Spectrum as our #1 cable internet provider. And that's the Straight Talk on Spectrum. Come back and see us for more reviews and info here at CompareInternet.com. Visit us on our website where we have detailed plans and prices to help you find the best provider where you live. See you soon.